Number 7. 9/10 plus 2/5. Now we have a problem. 9/10 plus 2/5, they all both have unlike denominators. So I've got 9/10 plus 2/5. Do they have a common denominator? No. So I'm going to put those numbers in a sled, the 10 and a 5. I'm going to find a common denominator, a least common denominator. So I'm going to find the LCM of the denominators. What's a factor that goes into 10 and 5? 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Anything else? Nope. So my LCM of the denominators, big bubble letter L, 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 1 is 10. So the common denominator is going to be 10. So I'm going to rewrite it as 10. Now, the cool thing is this guy right here has already a denominator of 10. So you can just rewrite it as 9/10, same thing. But this guy right there does not have a denominator of 10. He has a denominator of 5. What am I going to do to 5 to make it become 10? I'm going to say 5 times 2 is 10. That's correct. So 2 times 2, because what you do to the denominator, you must do to the numerator. 2 times 2 is 4. So 9/10 plus 4/10 gives me 13/10. Now 13/10 is an improper fraction. How many times does 10 go into 13? 10 goes into 13 one time with 3 left over, the last name of 10. Well, if you don't believe it, let's look at it this way. 13 divided by 10. 10 goes into 13 one time with 3 left over, 1 and 3 tenths. So 9/10 minus 2/5 gives me 1 and 3 tenths.